When you know how to get a really good answer, it is pretty hard to ignore the growing trend of chatting with an AI chatbot. I'm the CyberGuy. You can find many more of my tips at cyberguy.com. That's where you can also sign up for my newsletter while you're there. There's so many different platforms already like ChatGPT, Bing Chat, even Snapchat has an AI chatbot for its users. However, a chatbot can only answer to the best of its ability, and we have to do our part to help ask the right questions. If you don't get specific enough with your prompts, which are the questions you're asking, a chatbot could give you a generic or even just answer that doesn't matter to you. So to make the most of them, I've got some tips for you. First, let's say you want a simple explanation of a complex topic. You can ask a chatbot a question like, "What is gravity?" followed by asking it to explain the answer to you as if you're a child. Believe me, it works. Also, try framing your questions with a specific context. For example, ask the bot to act as if you're an expert on a particular subject. So you might ask, from the perspective of a fitness expert, what advice would you give to someone looking to start their daily exercise routine? Tell the chatbot exactly what you require help with for accurate responses. It's sort of like, help me help you. To get personalized advice, let the bot know your situation, your preferences, and even your goals. You could say something like, I need some wellness advice tailored to, and then insert the specific situation. Tell me what else you need to do this. It's going to tell you. It's pretty cool. If you want concise answers, give your chatbot a word limit to avoid lengthy responses. I remember asking something and I got a dissertation back that was pages long. I often will say, tell this to me in 3 sentences or a paragraph or 10 words. Something else, if the conversation goes off track, refresh or restart to maintain your clarity, meaning you can continue to ask the chatbot more questions or provide more clarification without the need to repeat what you'd already said earlier in the thread. And it's going to take all that information into account as you try to get more narrowed down on your answer. One last tip, never provide personal details like your full name, your address, email, passwords, financial data, nothing, no number that really belongs to your life. If you'd like more tips, head to cyberguy.com and be sure to sign up for my free newsletter.